Hello everybody and welcome to Bagan, Myanmar, one of the most fascinating ancient cities in the entire world. And today I'm going to tell you guys all about it.
I like the Bagan. I really like in Bagan because of a lot of the pagodas, a lot of the monastery in Bagan.
Some 1200 years ago, way out in the dry plains of central Myanmar, a massive and powerful kingdom was established somewhat similar to the nearby Angkor kingdom of Cambodia. But here in Bagan, the royal kings built over 10,000 temples and pagodas, which soon became a center for Buddhist worship across Southeast Asia.
That's beautiful, the vibration.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you something, Bagan does not disappoint. The temples are just so beautiful. Even though these temples were constructed mostly between the 9th and 13th centuries, Bagan remains the largest archaeological site in the world to this day, spanning an area of 13 by 8 kilometers. We're now walking up to one of the main temples here, and my god, it's huge. Just so physically stunning. There's so many Buddhas, we're just getting lost right now in all these Buddhas.
Oh my god, that's so beautiful.
It's crazy, I'm just walking around Old Bagan right now. It's a market, and behind me there are these stunning ancient temples. This place is absolutely fascinating. The town of Bagan, which used to be booming and now has a few thousand residents, is considered as one of the birthplaces of the Burmese culture and language to what it has become in modern day. Nowadays, just over 2,000 of the 10,000 original temples remain.
2,723 pagodas, temples and monuments. All they built in between 11th to 13th century.
I came to Bagan once 5 years ago and it was so magical that I had to return and bring Deanna. It's really one of the most fairy tale-like places in the world, along with Cappadocia in Turkey. Here in Bagan, you will see one of the best sunrises and sunsets of your life with these temples glistening across an orange sky. We have just woken up for sunrise to see the amazing balloons floating all over Bagan, and it is just spectacular. You can't get a place more picturesque, more beautiful than this. I'm so happy that we came here on this trip. I'll always be coming back to Bagan. It's kind of like my happy place. It's a place where I recommend everyone coming to Asia to visit. It certainly will not disappoint, and it's just been an incredible time here so far. But for now, we're about to head back to the hotel, get a hot breakfast, and then go back onwards to Yangon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. I'm Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.